name is Judy, and I'm going to wow you with my village, Tellico Village, Tennessee.
And I'm Lisa, Judy's friend. We love to travel, and we would love to work with you, WOW Airlines.
If golfing is your thing, we have 3 championship golf courses.
If hiking or biking are your idea of fun, we have 4 beautiful trails embedded within our 5,000-acre community. If racket games are your thing, here in Tellico Village we have something for everyone. We have 9 tennis courts, we have 2 indoor racquetball courts, and we have 4 indoor and outdoor pickleball courts.
For our next WOW adventure, we are on beautiful Lake Tellico. It is 33 miles long. Now that I have wowed you with Tellico Village, I'm ready to wow you with the world. We'll be seeing you on June 1st.